Okay, good evening. My name is Emmanuel, and in this short video, I want to share with you how you can really quickly create your. Okay, for this, I want to share with you how you can do a funding on Deriv, or you want to make a withdrawal on Deriv without going through third party or without going through the Deriv agents. Actually, I still use Deriv agents when I choose, or sometimes when I find some difficulty in personal withdrawals or in personal funding. But then, if you can do this by yourself, when it works, it's really great. So let's quickly show you right here. So if you're doing it up till now, I've been doing it on the web. So you go to the Deriv web. You can see this is my Deriv. I'm already logged in. So you go to the icon up here on the left. I go to cashier. So under cashier, you have the different options. You have the options for deposit, withdrawal, payment agents. So if you want to use the agents, you can just click on agents. But the aim of this video is to show you how to do that without agents, right? So if you, let's say you want to deposit, so you go to deposits, and then you can do deposit. So when you come to deposit, you find different options here. Since you didn't go for agents, so it show you deposit via the following payment methods. So you have credit card, you have instant bank transfer, you have e-wallet, you have local payment methods, you have Bitcoin, you have Litecoin. So for the aim of this video is to show you how to use bank. So you choose the first icon, the first one, and when you choose the first one, so notice that it will take some time to load, and once it loads, you can scroll down, and once you scroll down, go to, you can see you have stick pay, different payment methods, but we are looking for online bank transfer, right? And now I want to call your attention to something. When you get to online bank transfer, you see some have limits of $10 to 1,000. See these two major ones, these three we are looking at. This online bank transfer has from 10 to 1,000 USD. This particular one has 5 to 100 USD. Then Nigerian bank transfer 5 to 150 USD. So when you are funding minimum of 5 to 150 USD, you have to go for these. So you still see that there are some limits. Like if you want to do $1,000, you have to go for these online bank transfer. Yes, but then these are the ones I've tried because I've not funded more than more than between $5 to $100. So let's say we are funding $5. You click on this, and it takes some time to load. And once it loads, you can fill in the equivalent of that amount. Let's say we are funding $5, just $5, which is 8,500. And let's say you want to fund $50, that's 85,000 naira. Or let's say you want to fund $100. So if we are funding $1,000, you have to go for more and say 1617. You can see on 70,000. So you can see that. So but for our purpose now, 8,500 naira. So it shows equivalent down there. All you just need to do is go and click the next. Yeah, you go to next, and from next it will load and to generate. You say please click below to continue your transaction. So continue. So what happens is it generates okay, money point microfinance bank. So it generates a temporary account number that you can use, and after it generates that, then you can go ahead and make the payment. So you can go ahead and make the payment and see what I'm going to do here now. I'll copy out the account number and copy it out. So like I said, you just go ahead to copy out the phone number, the account number, and you can say payment request will expire after 30 minutes. Please pay exact amount. So make sure that you pay the exact amount, nothing less, nothing more. You understand? So that you won't have any issue with your payment. So just click on that and then go ahead to make this payment of 8,500 naira. So you can leave that window and go to your OPay or any bank account. For instance, now let's say I want to go for my OPay. I go ahead, I do my OPay, and then I do my payment. You know, I'm not going to be showing my bank app now. So I do my payment and then it will reflect. But I'm not funding here now. So I will now show you how to make withdrawal, because that's exactly what I want to do right here. Earlier, I traded a 50-cent account in my, actually had some loss on that $55 account, but then I got recovery. So I traded the $50 account. I was able to make some profit of some $4. So what I want to do right now, the aim is I want to use that to demonstrate. I'm going to just take $4 and add it to see what I'm trying to do. I'm going to be transferring $4, 4.00. So it should be between 10. So what I want to do is I'm transferring from my MT5 from my Deriv account, my MT5. I'm transferring to my wallet, my Deriv wallet. So I do a transfer. I say transfer. Can you see how I did that? I went to once you are already logged on, under options, actually make sure that you are in Traders Hub. Everything we are doing here is in Traders Hub, Traders Hub, Traders Hub. So most of the things you'll be doing will be under Traders Hub. And then once you are there, then you have these options. Since I already linked my MT5, I will do another video. If you want me to do another video on how to create your account from scratch or how to link your MT5 or whatever options you want me to do, just let me know in the comment section. I will do that. I'll take my time to share that as well. So I just do videos based on the answers or requests that you make. And then I do that not because I want to sell a course or something, but then I also share links to some of the brokers I recommend or some resources I recommend in the video or after the video in the description as well. So you see I've done the transfer now, so to my wallet. So now to do a withdrawal, now I go through the same process, but this time around it's a withdrawal. Now I have to send a mail. It sends me a mail. So once it sends me a mail, it said we have sent you a mail. I have to go to my mail. So what I will do is I'll go into my mail. I'll go into my mail. I have my mail somewhere in there. I'll go into my mail. I have so many things in my mail. So yeah, I'll go through my mail and I'll click that. See the mail from Deriv, and I say yes, it's me. So it will open up. Withdrawal, sometimes it takes you to different loops, but remember, because the last time I deposited with I really made my deposit not with agent, so that's why it's not taking me through a route of agents. So it's taking me through the direct bank transfer, and you see it says I have 3 withdrawals per day but for this payment method. So if I've exhausted these 3 withdrawals, I will have to go through agents. So do you see that, or use another method? Do you understand now? So yeah, I have to just pick $5 because that's what I want to withdraw. Yes, I want to withdraw this money now, and I'm going to withdraw it into my OPay account for this example. See the minimum I can withdraw here is $5 to 5,000 max. So hopefully I get to withdraw $5,000 profits in one day. So let's go. Now that I put that here, I actually select the method Pay, select the payment method Pay. Yeah, so I choose the Pay. So it will ask me, so it will ask you for the account number you want to withdraw to. But remember, I already did a withdrawal on this particular account. I did a withdrawal to my OP. So you can see my OP details there. I'm not covering it. It's just my phone number and my OP. So I just request payout. Simple. So I request a payout. So thank you. So your transaction is currently pending and awaiting confirmation. So this might take, we can wait on, but because the video is getting too long, so I'm going to end this. But I know that this is 10 minutes already, but then the withdrawal should drop in my OP in another 2, 3, or 5 minutes. So I would show you when it drops. I'll show you when it drops. Okay. So